Today, we will be learning how to mix colors together and overlap them to make them appear translucent. Translucent means that something is able to be looked through. We will be drawing and painting balloons because balloons are a great translucent, colorful object. We will use paint to create the illusion that balloons are see-through and that they are overlapping. To create the balloon shape, start by drawing a circle. Then, on the bottom half of the balloon, you can draw a curved line to stretch your circle into a balloon shape. Once you have the shape you want, you can erase the extra lines inside, leaving just the outside balloon shape. Remember to draw very lightly. If you draw too hard, it will be very hard to erase your lines. Draw at least 6 balloons on your paper. All of your balloons need to overlap with at least one other balloon. Once you have drawn all of your balloons and have erased the unwanted lines, you can draw a small triangular or trapezoid shape on the bottom for the ties of the balloons. Next, we will begin to paint our balloons. For the base of the balloons, we will not be mixing any colors. You can choose any color for any balloon, but make sure to leave the overlapped parts of your balloons white for now. Make sure to wash your brush in between really well by swirling it around your water container until you can't see any more paint on the bristles. Then, before dipping it in the paint again, wipe it on a paper towel to get rid of any extra water. After your balloons are painted and the overlapped spaces are still white, you can let your painting dry. When your painting is dry, it is time to mix colors for the overlapped areas. To make a translucent effect, you will need to mix the 2 colors of the balloons that are touching. For example, if I have a red balloon overlapping an orange balloon, I will need to mix red and orange paint together to create a new color. This new color will give the illusion that the 2 balloons are overlapping and that you can still see the edge of the orange balloon that is behind the red one. To mix the colors, scoop paint from your containers into a new spot. Make sure not to let the colors mix inside of the original container because other classes will be using these as well. Do this for all of the overlapped areas of your balloons. Make sure to wash your brush in between really well by swirling it around your water container until you can't see any more paint on the bristles. Then, before dipping it in the paint again, wipe it on a paper towel to get rid of any extra water. When your painting is finished and is completely dry, you will need colored pencils in each color of your balloons. You will draw a long wavy line from the tie part of the balloon all the way down to the bottom of your paper. It is okay to draw over the tops of the other balloons. Next, you will glue your painting onto a background paper. Take a white chalk pastel and draw curved lines at the top of your balloons. These are your highlights to make the balloons look shiny. Make sure to put the highlight in the same spot on each balloon. Then use your finger to smudge it in. Finally, you can glue little paper strips around the border of your painting to look like confetti. I hope you have so much fun creating these festive translucent color mixed balloons.